Genesis family! Hi! We're going to eat cake. We're going to open the minion toy first. This is mine.
Do you know what Happy Meal toy do they give today?
Yes, a rocket ship and a minion sitting in a purple car.
How do you know that?
Behind the cup. Open the
You take a peep and see what's inside?
Yes. Now have you open?
Okay, Ken.
Yeah, take out here.
Open a surprise. Open
No,
a...
no, it's like that.
Minion Hydrocycle surprise. Wow. Shall we open this up and see?
Okay.
Wow! Look at the minions. Then beep 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 beep. This is like the bulldozer.
Ooh.
And the one in front is the operator. There's a button here. Gotta press the button. There you go.
You try.
Yeah.
You try.
Okay.
Oh.
Like a ghost.
Rocket Racer Minion. Wow.
Children, I'm gonna open it. Ta-da!
Wow.
Wow! 1, 2, 3.
Fun?
Is it fun?
Oh! So funny.
Like Mario! Open the surprise. Bye-bye! Subscribe for our channel. Yay! Mommy